One thing about my best friend is she always ends up being the side chick.
So, you been up to no good?
What? I'm not the one we should be worried about here.
Oh, really? Last memory I had was you at that party and, well, you know how you got.
Oh, whatever. You were way too focused on Jenny. Nobody was paying attention to you.
You think?
Well, how have you and Jenny been since you've been gone?
I mean, I miss her. She's been traveling a lot with her family, so I don't get to see her that much.
Oh, interesting. I forgot that rich parents can just up and leave like that.
Yeah, well, it just means now I just need a new friend to hang out I'm sorry, I didn't know it was going to rain like this. If it was, I would have picked another day. I'm sorry.
No, it's okay. We can chill here.
Appreciate it. I might order something later. That's cool. But what was it that you were saying earlier, though?
I just don't really know what I want to do. I feel like I'm just drifting along. I know that I want to do something that I'm passionate about. You know, something that makes me excited to go to work every day.
Yeah, no, exactly. You know, I want to make every moment count. I want to travel as much as possible.
Well, what do you want to do when you travel?
I don't know. I might just write about my experiences and take cool pictures and shit like that.
Yeah, like a journalist.
I mean, yeah. You know, I just want to make every moment worth it. And if someone else would want to join me in that, you know, that would be pretty cool.
The focus level is bad as being a player, but still starting to be part of it. But playing is like another life for me right now. But it was a great time. This house is on the TDF Ep2 as it's called. Is in Charlotte. getting the Broncos champion game. Preparation for all teams involved, including CBS. So early, the numbers again, but did not have his first touchdown until last week. Every game I do, by the time I get to the game, especially like this week, being the Carolina Panthers, studying them all week long and talking to the players and coaches, now I really understand this football team. I have a much greater appreciation for what they're doing. This is about more than these players on the field.
I was wondering when you're gonna call me back.
I just don't get it. I am so much prettier than her.
What are you talking about?
Jenny, we hang out all the time, have amazing chemistry. Like, I am everything a man could ask for. And his parents don't even like her.
Yeah, but what you're forgetting is that he likes her.
But he spends all his time with me, though.
Yeah, a little too much time if you ask me.
I just feel like he wants me too. But I don't want to ask and it be awkward because he doesn't know where he stands.
Okay, well, he may like you, but how do you know he only wants you? Anyway, girl, I'm sorry, but I have to bring this up. I've been calling to see if I can borrow your car tomorrow because mine's in the shop and they have me running errands all day tomorrow for work.
Yeah, sure. I don't care.
Hey, girl. How's work?
Oh, it was good. Although there was this one awkward moment, though, where I called someone a sir, and they were definitely not a sir.
Damn, how did you mess up that bad?
Well, the signal wasn't good, so, I wasn't able to tell.
What was the name of that one movie that you said I needed to watch?
Kill Bill? Oh, that's like my all-time favorite movie. You really haven't seen it before?
Well, you want to go get some B-dubs and we can take it back to your place and go watch it?
You really up for it? It's like 2 hours long. The second one is like 2.5 hours long if you're really interested. Are you sure?
Yeah, I'm down for a marathon.
I don't like to be played with. Ain't no side, I'm the only main chick. Told you from jump I'm a ride. Just don't let your lane switch. So what can I say? To play.